kill too much battle.
Straight back to hell. What you take your head for, black officer? I mean what the fuck I'm saying. We are winning. You lose. Take off those weapons of war and fight me like a man. And I'm a woman. Take off your weapons of war and come the fuck out. Come on, I ain't got nothing. Take off your guns and tasers and weapons of war. Come on.
My name is Tannis. I was at the Brelo protest as well. I went to jail. I had to fight a case and got it dismissed, whatever. I think more young people need to be out here because where's the love at? Where's the conscious sense of your community? Where's the sense of understanding the world you live in? You live here. This is where you exist every day. Why would you want to have to live with the fear of being shot down? Live with the fear of being discriminated in your job world? Being discriminated on every element of your life on a daily basis? Why not make your life better? To me, that's just basic common sense. Let's say protesting don't do anything. I mean, I understand why. That comes from that defeat. Black people are dealing with a whole big burden of defeat we gotta carry every day, especially in Cleveland. Yeah, you know, from our sports teams to just our basic daily living. So they feel like protesting our efforts to do things as individuals is senseless and pointless, but you can't never let man and the system strip what God gave you, and that's the power of your life, the power of your existence to do anything. Your voice can be heard. God put you on the earth for a reason. If you usurp and defeat your own mind, you basically underestimating and discrediting what God gave you, your own life. You know what I'm saying? You are worth something. You do have value. You have the potential to change things. But if you defeat yourself, that's the key weapon they need. You to be your own oppressor.